Well, hello there. Today we're making a cake. It's a baby shark cake for Suri. And I'm doing the voiceover for Kimberly. You can see those seashells and a lot of fast motion things. There's Kimberly's hands. She's rolling the dough, cutting out these sharks. Baby shark, baby shark. Now I should warn you folks that I know absolutely nothing about cakes except that they taste really good. Kimberly's making this cake here for our niece. Her name is Suri, and she likes TV. She likes to look at baby shark all day long. And Kimberly is now making these sharks all day long. She's rolling some fondant, and I don't know what she's doing with those stuff on the left, but I think she's using it to cut out and apply the sharks on the left hand, the right hand. I can never remember my left from my right hand. Okay, so now we got a pink shark and a blue shark, and I think these sharks look a lot friendlier than the ones that you see on Maracas Beach. Shout out to Richard's Bacon Shark. There we go with the yellow and the blue and the pink shark. She has two more to do using the orange, and it looks a little bit like ice cream cones. Yeah, those sharks look really sweet. I'm seeing something that looks a little bit red like jelly, and she's... oh, that's the teeth of the shark. Those sharks don't look too dangerous. Just keep going. Alright, so what else can I say about sharks and cakes? I could say that Kimberly makes some really awesome cakes, and if you haven't ordered a cake as yet, you need to do so right now. She also has these cool things called the affordable cakes, where if you get a cake at a really steep price, like say $700 or $650, she could do the costing for you and makes a lot of people happy. It also makes one or two people angry, but that's okay. That's life. Life is about giving affordable cakes to people. And there she's spinning over. I see some chopsticks, and the sharks make me think about sushi. I'm seeing something that looks like a plasticine, and she's... oh, it's some molds. Ah, she's using the letters to get the happy birthday. That's smart, because before she used to be taking her scissors or happy birthday Suri. Wow, I feel like I'm in SpongeBob or Boco Reef in Tobago or the Australian Great Barrier Reef. This looks really cute. I'm impressed, Kimberly. I'm really impressed. Oh, there's Haley. Wow, she's got some big cheeks. Oh, I always like to see the cake spinning, and yeah, it looks like a turntable there, and she's doing the fondant thing, and it's going on really fast. That's... wow, that was... this is awesome. This is really good. It looks like the ocean. And there's Anna always eating something, and Kimberly is using her little mason thing to smoothen the cake. Alright, measure. Oh boy, she's applying the seaweed now. It's a little bit tall, the grass is long, just like the grass in the backyard, and those seashells look beautiful. And I've been talking quite a lot, so I'm hoping that this video actually finishes soon, because it's getting a little bit hard on my throat. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. So happy birthday, Suri, and I hope you enjoy these seashells, and that this cake doesn't give you and your family diabetes. I shouldn't say that, right? Anyway, let's keep spinning the cake. I could tell you that this cake was very tasty. And boy, oh boy, those sharks sure look friendly. They look just like the guys on TV. And there's Suri. Cake for cakes always make the kids happy. And there's Uncle Sana. And there's Auntie Mel and Sydney waiting for that cake to cut. And there's Anna hoping for pizza as well and singing the baby shark song. That's why she's using her hand up and down, up and down. Alright, so Mel is about to light those candles, blazing it up big.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray!
Seashells by the seashore.